Hello, bachcha log. Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen properly shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chale. So we are starting up with chapter number 2, that is linear equations in one variable for 8th class. We have finished first chapter ka NCRT. We have finished the exampler. We have done an assessment. Very well done. Going with a nice speed. Now we are going to start with a new chapter that is a part of algebra, linear equations in one variable. Let me explain the meaning of to you of the title first of all, linear equations in one variable. This altogether means that linear means the power of the variable. The maximum power of the variable in this would be 1 only. There'll be no x to the power 2. Then there'll be no y to the power 3. In this chapter, you will be learning about only solving equations like x plus 1 equals to 10. So variable ka power will be 1 always. Understood or not? Why is this called a linear equation? If you see in senior standards, as you grow, can you see this line word hidden in this? Whenever you plot this into a graph, whenever you try to draw this equation on a graph paper, you'll always get a straight line. It can be anything like this, like this, like this. It can be any such line, but the graph of these equations will always be a straight line. That is why it is called as linear equations. Understood? Now, what is the meaning of this word equation here? Equation means it will have one equal to ka sign for sure. Right? Okay. Like, let me write one expression here. This is what this is, an algebraic expression. Right? What is this? This is an expression. Now, how will this expression become an equation? When you write it equals to something. It can be anything, equals to anything. But whenever you put equal to a sign there, equals to, this expression becomes an equation. Understood or not? Is this thing clear to everyone or not? You just don't nod your heads. Open up your mic and then speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with everyone? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So two words clear, linear word clear, equation word clear. In one variable means in one equation, you will only have one type of variable. As in, if I write x plus y equals to 10, this is not linear equation in one variable. Why? Because there are two variables here. This is a linear equation in two variable. So what is one variable? Where you will see only one variable, like x plus 7 equals 20. What is this? This is a linear y. Variable ka power is 1. Equation y, because this is an equals to ka sign here. And in one variable y, because there is only one type of variable. Understood the meaning of the name or not? Linear equation in one variable, is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And do
ma'am.
you people remember
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chapter simple equations in class 7? So it's that same chapter. In this chapter, the only thing new that you will learn here is that there will be sums given in number stories. As in, they'll tell you ki whatever is the age Arya, Alka ma'am is 10 years more than that. So if I uh, if I want to find out Arya's age, and if I keep Alka ma'am to be 25, I'm always 25. In every example of mine, you'll find me 25. Since last 25 years, I am at 25. Nay, not since 25 years, but since long, I am at 25 only. Okay. So don't mind me, please. Then, okay. So when I write Arya's age, let Arya's age be X. Okay. So Alka ma'am is 10 years elder to Arya. So let Arya's age be X and plus 10 to that is Alka ma'am's age. If you know Alka ma'am is 25, can you find out Arya's age from here? That is so easy then, no? How? You transpose this 10 to the other side and subtract. So x equals 25 minus 10. That means Arya is 15 years now. Clear or not? है ना? So when you did simple equations in class 7, this is just an extension of it, and they'll only like make you a little more practice on the same thing. It's just that they'll twist and turn things around, make like change it into number stories and give you. Okay, clear everyone or not? So this chapter is nothing new to you people. Clear no? चले अभी start करें. Introduction is already done now. Now see, they are here showing you that all these examples are not linear equation. Why? Because the powers to the variable here is more than one. Clear or not everyone? Ananya, don't get distracted. Is this clear or not everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Why is this not linear? है ना? Okay. Now all this I have explained. This equality ka sign is there. इसीलिए this is an equation. So I've already explained you this first page. So I'm moving ahead now. Right. And whatever is the value of x, like Arya's age, we found to be 15, no? So that was the solution of the equation. Understood? The value of x that you found from here is called as solution of the equation. Right? Clear, no? Acha, now there are two ways to solve one equation. Let me tell you both the ways, Indian curriculum and international curriculum as well. So if I give you one equation like again x plus 7 equals 10. In Indian system, so you do transposition, right? You transpose things to the other side and solve. In international system, you do it like subtracting 7 from both sides. So whatever is the number that you are willing to remove, reverse of it you do on both the sides of equals to. So subtracting 7 from both sides, you'll write here. So it will be x plus 7 minus 7 equals to 10 minus 7. Did you see this subtracting 7 from both sides? Right? Now this will get nullified. This will be x alone. And this is 10 minus 7, which is 3. If you carefully see this in Indian system, that is only how you transposed and solved, no? Right or not? So Indian curriculum one is the simpler one, no? Let's stick to that only. But this is just an introduction of what can be the other way of solving it. Clear or not?
Yes,
If I write like x by 3 equals 20. So what will you do on both sides? Tell me. To leave x alone. Yes, Arya, tell me.
ma'am, we will multiply 3 to both sides.
Exactly, absolutely correct. So if you multiply this by 3 and this by 3, this 3 will get cancelled, x will be left alone. X equals to 20 into 3 is 60. Clear or not? Simple, no? है ना? But we'll stick to the transposition method only. Yes, Riya, any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Good. Chalo, let's put the heading as exercise 2.1 and let's quickly solve these questions. With the few, I'll help. Rest you people do by yourself. Okay. You people tell me what all are looking dangerous to you. Like I'm sure you'll opt for 8. I'm sure you'll opt for 9. And 7th also?
Ma'am,
10th also?
10th.
10th also? Chalo. And I am doing one more for you 6. Right? So rest you'll do it by yourself. I am starting from 6th. 6th to 10th you're doing along. And 1st to 5th you will complete as your homework. They are very simple ones. Okay. Chalo, I am starting with the 6th part. So 8x plus 4 equals 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. Right, bache? Clear? Okay, now. So I'll have to open up the brackets first. So this implies you have to put the sign every time you write the complete thing. And always remember, everyone, hey, wait, hold on, stop writing. You people are not writing just one side of it. Like you're solving only left side of it, then you start solving the right side of it. That is not the correct approach here. Okay. What is the correct approach here? You will every time write the both sides simultaneously. Okay. So I am writing this 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Right, bache? Now this implies, let me solve these two here. But I'll have to write the left hand side again. Every time you have to write the complete thing again. So this is 3x plus 4. Right? Next is, now you transpose and like segregate like terms. So this will be 8x minus 3x. See, when I have transposed 3x to the other side, I have made it reversed. Like it is plus 3x here and it will be minus 3x on the other side. Likewise, Ananya, pay attention. You were not there with me in the previous session. So this that was there on the right hand side, you'll write that 4 first. And then whatever you have brought from the other side, you'll write it behind this 4. With the reverse sign, plus 4 will become minus 4. Right? How to solve it now? 8x minus 3x is 5x. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay? Now, again, this implies x equals to 0 by 5. What is 0 by 5, Ananya? Tell me.
So, rational number.
0 by 5 equals to what? I know that is a rational number.
Mom.
Yes, 0 by 5 is 0 only. That's the solution of this equation. Understood or not, everyone? Is this thing clear to everyone or not? Quickly write this down and then I'm moving to the next part. Okay. So next we are doing part 7. In part 7, it is x equals 4/5 of x plus 10. Right? This is how you read it, no? 4/5 of x plus 10. Now how to solve this? So to solve this, 5 is a denominator to complete thing. When 5 is the denominator to complete thing, you can transpose it to the other side and multiply. So this implies 5x equals to 4 times x plus 10. Right? Now, you'll open up the brackets here. So it will be 5x equals to 4x plus 40. Right? Now you'll transpose these like terms. X and x will be like, right? So this will be 5x minus 4x is 1x equals to 40. 1x equals to 40 means x equals to 40, no? So that's the answer. That's the solution. Understood? Do it quickly in your notebooks. I forgot to tell you how to check. Let us do the checking also here. In the previous one also we should have done that. I missed doing it. Chalo, let's do the verification or checking thing. How to verify? They can here write verification as well. Do the verification or checking also. Okay. So verification, how do we do that? Whatever value you got, you have to replace that with x everywhere. So I'll write the equation first of all. X equals to 4/5 of x plus 10. And listen everyone, in verification, no transposition is allowed. Did you hear me well? In verification, no transposition is allowed. You have to solve both the sides and see if they are equal. No transposition is allowed. So I'll write 40 equals to 4/5 of x plus 10, that is 50. Right, bache? So this is 5 times 1 and 5 times 10. And now this 4 times 10 will be 40. Left hand side is already 40. You'll write left hand side equals to right hand side. And bracket mein you'll write hence verified. If you get this left hand side equals to right hand side, then only your answer is verified. Iska matlab you got your solution correct. Is this clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So with every part, you have to do the verification as well. Okay. This part, 8th part we are solving now. This is 2x by 3 plus 1 equals to 7x by 15 plus 3. Hold on everyone. कोई ऐसा cutting नहीं करेगा please. This is a plus का sign here. Okay. Okay now. Acha, can you people see here? There is one x with the fraction here, x with the fraction here, and these two are just the constant numbers. Can we transpose things here and there and solve it first? बताओ जल्दी से. चलें अभी क्या करें, इसको ट्रांसपोजिशन करेंगे ना देन. तो this 7x coming behind this 2x by 3. So this implies 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15. देखो, the thing that I have brought to the other side, I have written it behind 2x by 3. Right? Clear no everyone? And equals to this 3 I'll write first. Positive 3, no? So I can write this as 3 as well. This plus 1 that will be transposed. This will become minus 1 and will come behind it. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure that you don't make any mistake while copying the numbers here and there. Okay. Now, what to be done next? Take the LCM of 3 and 15, that is 15. है ना? And then what do we do? To make this 15, you will multiply this by 5. Right or not? So it will be 10x minus and it will be 7x. Clear or not? 10x minus 7x equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. Has this turned simpler?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 10x minus 7x is 3x by 15 equals to. Now look here everyone. This 3 and 15 they are getting divided and there is no plus and minus ka sign there. Iska matlab now you can divide them. Clear or not? So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. Clear? So it will be x. This implies ka sign. Don't forget writing it. So this implies x by 5 equals to. That means x equals to 2 times 5. This implies x equals to 10. बच्चे लोग always keep it in mind that in one line you cannot put 2 equals to. Listen everyone. If you are doing like x equals to 2 into 5 equals to 10, don't do this. This is incorrect. And few teachers, they will like circle it also. Because an equation can have only one equals to. Okay. Clear or not everyone? That is why I am asking you to write both the sides simultaneously under the previous one with this implies ka sign. Okay. Now verification you will be able to do or you want me to help here? Tell me Ananya, you want me to help? Verification you'll be able to do. Chalo, you do it by yourself. I am also solving it on screen. Verification. Remember, you have to take the original equation that is given in the question. And in that, you have to replace the answer there in the place of x. And here, transposition is not allowed, but this 3 cannot be cut here, no, with any one of these. So I'll write 20 by 3 plus 1 equals to this 10 and 15 can be cut. Why? Because like in this portion, there is no plus and minus ka sign there, no? So it will be 5 times 2, 10 and 5 times 3 is 15. So this is 7 by 3 plus 3. Oh, that's 14 by 3. 7 twos are. Twos are I missed. So this is 14 by 3 plus 3. Right, bache? Taking LCM of 3 and 1, that is 3. So now I will write it as 20 plus 3. I've crossed multiply. equals to 14 plus, again LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So I'm writing 3 here and this becomes 9. Is this step clear to everyone? Why have I changed this into 3 and 9? Clear or not? Riya, Ananya, is this clear? So what's the answer? 20 plus 3 is 23 by 3 and 14 plus 9 is also 23 by 3. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly do this and we are moving ahead. तो अभी हमने अनन्या के भाई अभिज्ञान को डांटा है और जो बच्चे रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हैं उनके लिए हिडन होमवर्क ही इसकी हमने किसके भाई को डांटा है. ओके राइट नो. ठीक है ना. हिडन होमवर्क हो गया. चलो अभी नाउ वी आर सॉल्विंग 9th क्वेश्चन. वी डिड 8th वन. अभी 9th वन सिंपल लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? हाँ
मैम
कि नहीं?
सिंपल है।
चलो मैं फिर यही लास्ट करवा रही हूँ. 10th आप अपने आप से करोगे. 2y plus 5/3 equals to 26 by 3 minus y. Let's transpose this to this side and let's take this fraction here. And need not draw these lines. ये तो मैं explain कर रही हूँ इसीलिए I am drawing it. You need not draw these lines, okay? So now this implies 2y plus y. Y का sign is reversed. Equals to 26 by 3. I've written first because that was on right hand side already. So which has traveled the distance so far, this will come behind 5 by 3, right? Now 2y plus y is like 2 bananas plus 1 banana. It will be equals to 3 bananas. 3y equals to LCM is already there, no? 3 and 3 ka LCM is 3. So numerators you will write as such without changing anything. So y is equals to 26 minus 5. Achha, 26 minus 5 I should solve. 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. And this 3 that is multiplied here, it will get divided there. The thing which is a numerator here becomes the denominator on the other side. Right? So what is this now? 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. And y, this implies y equals to 7 by 3. Clear or not, bache? Clear everyone or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, with this I am stopping the recording here. And you have to complete this exercise, do all the verification thing of all 10 parts and share it with me as your classwork. Okay. So for those who are there in the class, they will be completing this right away. For those who are not in the class, they'll complete it and submit me. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 1 to 5 also we will do as classwork.
Yes. Then you will get no homework, no? Quickly
Ma'am,
do
I have
it.
done all. Ma'am, we want homework, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done all. First to 10th.
तुम बच्चे मानते नहीं हो ना. अभी we still have 15 minutes, no? Go ahead and do it. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done all.
Oh, very good.